In this video, we'll be diving deep into PlotX, a decentralized prediction market platform that lets you predict outcomes of real-world events and earn rewards in return. The platform leverages blockchain technology to ensure secure and transparent transactions. First, you'll want to sign up on PlotX and create an account. After signing up, you'll be able to participate in various prediction markets. The dashboard is user-friendly, and you can view available prediction markets and place your stakes on various events. It's important to analyze the odds and see how other users are betting before making your prediction. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. On PlotX, rewards are earned based on the accuracy of your predictions. So the more correct predictions you make, the more you can earn. The platform supports various cryptocurrencies, making it easy for crypto enthusiasts to get involved. Whether you're a beginner or an expert in predicting events, PlotX provides a unique experience that combines entertainment with the opportunity to earn crypto. Remember to subscribe to the channel and give a like if you found this video helpful.